When tackling DIY projects or professional tasks, having the right tools can make all the difference. Electric screwdrivers and drills are two of the most commonly used tools, but they serve different purposes and are tailored to distinct tasks. Understanding their differences can help you make informed decisions about which tool is best suited for your needs. This video will explore the fundamental differences between electric screwdrivers and drills, diving into their designs, functionalities, and appropriate uses to help you maximize efficiency and precision in your work. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. At first glance, electric screwdrivers and drills may look similar, especially in compact cordless versions. However, their designs reflect their intended purposes. Electric screwdrivers are generally smaller, lighter, and more ergonomically designed for prolonged use. They are built for precision and comfort, allowing users to handle tasks such as assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or repairing electronics without experiencing fatigue. These tools often have a slim profile and a straightforward control system, usually a trigger and a direction switch for tightening or loosening screws. In contrast, drills are designed for more heavy-duty applications. They are typically bulkier and more robust, with a chunkier grip to accommodate the torque and power required for drilling holes or driving screws into tougher materials like wood, metal, or concrete. Drills often feature a keyless chuck, which securely holds a variety of drill bits and screwdriver bits, and their handles are shaped to absorb the vibrations and pressure generated during operation. Some advanced drills also come with auxiliary handles for greater control during demanding tasks. One of the most significant differences between electric screwdrivers and drills lies in their power and torque output. Torque refers to the rotational force applied by the tool, and it is a key factor in determining what tasks each tool can handle. Electric screwdrivers typically offer lower torque and are designed for lighter tasks such as driving screws into pre-drilled holes, tightening screws in soft materials, or performing delicate operations where precision is critical. They prioritize control and finesse over raw power, making them ideal for household tasks and small projects. Drills, on the other hand, are engineered for power. They provide significantly higher torque and are capable of handling a wide range of materials, from softwoods to masonry. This makes drills far more versatile, as they can be used not only to drive screws, but also to drill holes of various sizes. Many drills come with adjustable torque settings, allowing users to customize the tool's performance to suit the material and the task at hand. Whether you're building furniture, installing shelves, or working on a construction site, a drill's power and adaptability are indispensable. In today's cordless era, battery life and portability are crucial considerations for power tools. Electric screwdrivers typically consume less power due to their lower torque and speed requirements. As a result, their batteries often last longer on a single charge, making them an excellent choice for extended use in lightweight applications. Their compact size and lightweight design also enhance portability, allowing users to carry them around easily, even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Drills, while also benefiting from cordless technology, tend to have shorter battery life due to their higher power demands. They often require larger batteries to sustain their performance, which can add to their overall weight. However, advancements in battery technology, such as lithium-ion cells, have improved the runtime and charging efficiency of cordless drills, ensuring they remain reliable tools for demanding projects. If you're working on a large-scale task or a material-intensive project, carrying a spare battery for your drill is always a good idea. The true distinction between electric screwdrivers and drills becomes apparent when you consider their use cases. Electric screwdrivers are ideal for repetitive tasks that involve driving or removing screws, especially when precision and control are essential. They are commonly used in assembly work, small repairs, and projects that require minimal effort. For example, if you're assembling a bookshelf or installing cabinet handles, an electric screwdriver can make the process quicker and more comfortable. Drills, on the other hand, excel in scenarios that demand power and versatility. Whether you need to drill holes for wall anchors or drive screws into hardwood, a drill can handle the task efficiently. They are indispensable for construction, renovation, and woodworking projects where strength and adaptability are crucial. Additionally, with the right attachments, drills can double as grinders, sanders, or polishers, further expanding their functionality. Cost is another factor to consider when choosing between an electric screwdriver and a drill. Electric screwdrivers are generally more affordable, making them an attractive option for casual users or those on a budget. Their simplicity and specialized purpose often mean fewer components and a lower price point. However, high-end models with advanced features can be pricier. Drills, being more versatile and powerful, usually come at a higher cost. The price varies widely depending on the type, brand, and features of the drill. For instance, a basic corded drill is more affordable than a high-end cordless drill with multiple modes and advanced settings. While drills require a larger initial investment, their broad range of applications can provide excellent value for money over time. The choice between an electric screwdriver and a drill depends largely on your specific needs and the type of projects you undertake. Electric screwdrivers are perfect for light-duty tasks. Their compact and ergonomic design makes them ideal for everyday household tasks and small repairs. Drills, on the other hand, are versatile powerhouses capable of tackling a wide range of applications. While they may require a larger investment and more storage space, their capabilities make them indispensable for larger projects. By understanding the differences between these tools and aligning them with your needs, you can ensure that your toolbox is equipped to handle any challenge. Whether you're a homeowner, a hobbyist, or a professional, the right tool can make your work faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.